Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to Free Cook Channel. Have you ever wondered what the most delicious and awesome food in the world is? Well, I've asked myself this question many times in different situations, and the only food that came to my mind was pizza. This Italian dish is one of the most popular and awesome foods in the world, and I want to share it with you as the first video on my channel. So let's get started. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you can be notified of new videos. To make a truly professional pizza, I recommend making your own dough from scratch. I've included the dough recipe and a list of ingredients in the description below, so you can make as much or as little dough as you like. Once your dough is ready, we'll spread some tomato sauce all over it. You can use any type of sauce you prefer, whether it's homemade, store-bought, or a different flavor altogether. I personally love using tomato sauce on my pizza. Now, after adding a bit of cheese, let's talk about the meat. To give my pizza that extra professional touch, I like to use pepperoni, but you can use any kind of meat or sausage you prefer. Or, if you're vegetarian, you can just stick with veggies. Next up, it's time for the veggies. You can add any vegetables you like, such as bell peppers, onions, mushrooms, basil, and tomatoes. Finally, we'll sprinkle some more cheese on top and pop it in the oven. After about 20 minutes, your pizza will be ready. Enjoy it with your favorite sauce. Remember, pizza is a very customizable dish. You can make it any way you like, with any toppings and flavors. So give it a try at home and see how delicious it is. That's all for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please support me by liking the video and subscribing to my channel so I can create more content for you. Also, please comment and let me know what your favorite food